So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, ilalabas ko lang po yung trade needs ng apat na teams kabola. We're talking about Ginebra, Kabola, Terra Firma, NLEX kabola, at saka Blackwater Elite. So may di pa subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito mga comments muna ng mga fans kabola. Sa UAAP may mga prospect doon, pati UP guards, sabi niya kabola. Ako ang pinakauna, sabi ni Brian Duron. Salamat po sa pagsuporta. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir, shoutout sir. Marco Bayos, si DJ Fener, di siya known as 3ND, kilala siya as ISO player. Yes, I saw the highlights din naman kabola when he was still in college, and even the numbers naman dictates that he can play ISO kabola. Pero ang maganda nga kasi, nung nandun po siya sa SGA, pinakita niya doon that defense is also fine. So overall, kabola, the defense is fine.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Shooting is fine.
You tripping, bro? You tripping?
In the PBA, yes, there's a good chance din kabola that he can become like halimbawa Jamie Malonzo type kabola, but more of an outside shooting kabola na tipo po ng forward. So DJ Fener will be an exciting prospect to watch as we move forward po kabola this season. Mga bagong butong itatanim para anihin pagdating ng tamang panahon, sabi dito ni Ralph kabola. Yan nakakalungkot pag mga ganitong usapan, di ba? So, yeah, may katotohanan din yun kabola, di ba? So, sipin nyo na kung ano yung biggest need yan ng Ginebra, San Miguel, even Magnolia, di ba? Yan, malamang. May chance din na mapunta po sa kanila yan. Then, user VU6, may Kamakahepa pa. So, let us wait, no, for Kamakahepa kabola. Halimbawa natin, DJ Fender, di man natin nakikita yun dati. So, Kamakahepa, baka gulatin tayo by next season, di ba? Sumali na siya kabola. Now, pag-usapan din natin yung nangharap kabo sa Davao, no? It's a tournament kabola kung saan nanalo nga po ang Reno Shine. They defeated in the finals. Ito pong LaSalle kabola. It was a 4-team tournament, and LaSalle defeated Phoenix kabola at saka itong Converge. At dahil nga natalo itong Phoenix at Converge, daming fans ng PBA. And of course, mga mas panatiko ng UAP ang talagang tumira, no? Dito sa Phoenix at sa Converge kabola. Now, hindi ko naman sila masisisi kasi of course, if college team defeats a professional team, yan naman talaga po yung kumbaga mababaw po na agad na makikita o makukulot kabola. Matatawa ka, di ba? Kasi dapat hindi yan nangyari. Pero iba kasi yung case dito kabola, di ba? In reality, in the Philippines kasi kabola, of course, hindi naman po agad-agad, diba? Hindi tulad ng mga nasa NBA kabola na the moment that they are available kabola or they're eligible to enter the NBA draft, gusto na lang sumali. Iba po kasi dito po in college ball, halos yung bayaran po dyan tumutumbas din po sa PBA. So yung mga players po currently ng LaSalle, who is the defending champion of UAP, is basically as good or even better yung mga top players nila like Kevin Kiambao, Michael Phillips kabola, even Mason Amos. Those guys are basically, yung si Kevin Kiambao, sure yan, number 1 pick yan pag papasok yan, kung papasok siya PBA draft kabola. Yung Michael Phillips sa Mason Amos, top 3 pick yan, lalaban yan kabola. So basically they have this 3 premium talent, no, kabola, dun sa kanila pong line-up, diba? And of course, alam naman natin sa PBA, pag top pick ka kabola, starting caliber ka agad, diba? Pwedeng top 15 player ka agad kabola. So with that, diba, 3 player na yun agad, mga top 15 to 25 yung pwedeng range po ng abilities nila, diba? So it doesn't matter if they're collegiate team kabola, it doesn't matter. Kasi talent-wise kabola, talaga namang lumelevel yung talent po ng LaSalle sa PBA teams. And at the end of the day, it was just preparatory tournament, diba kabola? So, wala tayong magagawa. I mean, it doesn't impact, diba? And of course, respeto na rin sa LaSalle ang kabola. Kay Phoenix sa kay Converge naman, they did what they need to do there. It's a preparation and it's part of their preparation, kabola. Regardless of if they win or lose. So for me, it's not a big deal. Si Reno Shine lang talaga din. Pinakita niya kabola. Undefeated siya dun na they are ready. And of course, Coach Yang Giao team yan. So, ano pa bang in-expect natin? So, ito na kabola, mga biggest needs dito po sa apat na teams na binanggit ko kanina. Let's start po with the Blackwater Elite kabola. Ang kanila pong biggest needs sa mata po natin is shooting forward kabola, diba? Kung titignan mo yung lineup nila, okay naman kasi may Troy Rosario sa kana big man, and of course Cedric Bearfield nandun. RK Ilagan can be your point guard, especially with the arrival of the 4-point shot. Now what they need is yung palagay ko lang they should maximize their ability of 3-point shooting and add another shooting forward para mas kompleto pa kabola. Yung pwede nilang spacing na madadala. So for me, shooting forward for the Blackwater Elite. Let's start po, or next po natin, NLEX kabola. So sa NLEX, klarong-klaro naman, diba? Their front line is really weak, so they need a big man. When I say big man, siguro as much as possible, starting caliber sana. Kasi hindi talaga sasapat po yung Michael Miranda, Policarpio, Marcelo, Ular, Pascual Sian, Anthony po na front line. Hindi yan papalag kabola. So for me, they badly need to add another good one. Terra Firma, for me, they need to look for an elite shooter, kabola. Kasi yan yung distant high danger talaga eh. Yes, of course, Wami Chongson is an elite shooter, kabola. Kenner Macarino can play with stand high danger kasi he's a willing 3-point shooter. Pero kulang pa nila talaga is elite shooter. Diba kabola? Someone who can really magnetize pa po in the defense so that it can give more spacing kay stand high danger and the 2-man game with Wami Chongson. Hinebra po kabola. For me, it's a big man, diba? Yes, they have a dip in terms of quantity na big man rotation. Isaac Go, Japet Aguilar, Jamie Malonzo, kabola, and then of course, dinagdag din nila si Ben Adamos, kabola, and then pa rin naman si Raymond Aguilar. So, in terms of the front line, di ba, 5 yan, Brownlee can of course play some of the 4, kabola, okay naman sa quantity, pero at the end of the day, in terms of talent, parang kulang yan, kabola, especially with the reality na old na po si Aguilar and injury prone po si Malonzo. So, kabola, sa mo, sino dapat target po ng Hinebra? Comment lang po sa baba.